The Dustless Blasting system is known for being the most efficient way to remove any coating from virtually any surface. Where that efficiency comes in handy is saving you time and money when doing large jobs related to heavy machinery. The industrial strength coatings used on heavy machinery can be nearly impossible to remove. Dustless Blasting, with its powerful mixture of water and abrasive, obliterates these coatings with ease. Any downtime for your equipment is lost time and money. Dustless Blasting is a fast process with minimal cleanup, so you'll be back up and running quickly compared to other methods.
We blast with the Dustless Blast machine that we've been using for about a year. We've been using it a lot. We're approaching about 500 hours we have on that baby now. Working like a charm. But you can see the machine can get in here where hands and sanders just can't. This machine really comes in handy in doing this type of thing.
No matter how big your equipment is or how tough your coatings are, Dustless Blasting's got you covered.